Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Professor Hassan and you are watching my channel Professor Hassan Hamayo. PPSC, FPSC, KPPSC and SPSC students can join my written test session and interview sessions. These sessions are very important, vital and significant for passing and getting the job. Let's start. Today I will discuss very important interview question, difference between percentage and percentile. Dear students, percentage gives us the result out of 100. It shows something out of whole in terms of parts per 100. And percentile is a positional average. It tells us the position of a particular value within a data set. I will give you 2 or 3 examples and inshallah that concept will be cleared into your minds. For example, Ali is a student and he has got 77% marks. It shows that he has got 77 marks out of 100. 77% means 77 marks out of 100. In 200 he has got 154 marks. But percentage does not tell us the position of Ali. For example, there are 40 students in the class. But I do not know how many students are above Ali's marks and how many students are below him. How much percentage of the students are above him, how much percentage of the students is below him. This is just the indication. Percentage means out of 100, he has scored 77 marks. But percentile will tell you the positional average, the position of Ali within a data set. For example, if I say he is on the 45th percentile, Ali is on the 45th percentile in the marks of the class. Now this value shows that 45% students of the class are below him. 45% students, for example, there are 200 students in the class, then 90 students are below him and he is more than or equal to 90 students. A very important concept. I will give you one more example. A couple of weeks ago, PPSC conducted a very important test for the post of statistical officer. There are 14 seats and you can join my interview session. And in that, the paper was very difficult for the students. And for example, Ali has got 43 marks, 43% marks. It shows that his 43 MCQs were correct out of 100. He has got 43 marks out of 100. But that value is not telling us the position of Ali. But if I say 84th percentile he has, this value shows that 84% students out of 1500. If 1500 students applied for this post and 84% students of 1500 are below his marks, a very important, are below less than Ali's marks. This is the concept of percentile and I will give you one more example. If you are working in a company and I have the salary of all the workers and if I say you are at 67th percentile, this value shows that, for example, you are Rashid and you are at 67th percentile. That value shows 67% of the workers. If, for example, 1000 workers are working in that factory in a company, then 70 people are getting the salary below your salary package. 67% people of that company are getting the salary below you. That is a very important concept and must comment on today's lecture. Assalamu alaikum.